Welcome everyone to this year's first International Cat Show 2026, hosted by the Philippine Feline Club.
Very exciting. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito ka-organized, ganito ka-babait ng mga na-meet namin kanina na breeder. They're not their first time, pero very approachable. It was a very, I would say, a happy experience.
Nakaka-proud. Parang ano, yung ginigrade na yung anak mo. Tawang-tawa kasi parang naging worth it yung pag-aalaga namin ng ilang months. Pag-prepare namin dito para sa show.
Una, kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko pa alam yung anong mangyayari sa loob. Pero nakakatuwa talaga. Nakakatuwa makakita ng mga iba-ibang klaseng pusa.
Mingling with other breeders. Kasi first time kami, and then we want to know and learn then more from other breeders na mas matagal na from us. Sa table judging, nakaka-impress na magaling sila mag-handle ng cat. Kasi first time din na ng cat namin or makita na yung cat namin is ma-judge. It's very exciting at the same time fulfilling.
Masaya. And hopefully makuha ko mamaya yung ano, kung makakasali.
Title, of course. You stay.
Hello everyone! Sa mga judges, sa mga nag-organize mo neto. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng effort. Sobrang ganda po. As a first-timer, na-appreciate ko po lahat. Thank you po and God bless.
Good luck sa lahat and hopefully na-enjoy nyo din as much as we did yung event na to. Thank you!
Para sa mga organizers, thank you dito sa pag-organize ng mga ganitong event. Actually, for me, like a first-timer, marami kang matutunan. And then, mas malalo akong nainganyo about cats. Kasi before, dog person talaga ako. Pero mukhang papunta na ako ng cats.
To all the judges, we are very grateful. We're very thankful that you came here. You come here sa Philippines for this event. And hopefully, by next time, we will see you again.
Thank you, PFC!
Thank you, PFC!
Thank you, PFC!